Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to reset your Element Messenger password step by step. If you've forgotten your password or simply want to improve your account security, you can reset it through your Matrix home server. Provided your account has a recovery email or another supported recovery method configured. So let's get started. First, open the Element Messenger app or the Element web app and go to the sign-in screen. Enter your Matrix ID or email address if prompted, then click or tap the Forgot Password option. Next, choose your Matrix home server if required and follow the on-screen instructions. If your account has a verified recovery email, Element will send you a password reset link. Open your inbox and click the link to continue. Don't forget to check your spam or junk folder if the email doesn't appear. Now, create a new strong password using a combination of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. Avoid using old passwords or anything that's easy to guess. Confirm the new password and submit the change. After the password has been updated, return to the Element Messenger app and sign in using your new password. Depending on your account settings, you may also need to re-verify your sessions or restore your encryption keys to access encrypted conversations on your devices. Finally, store your new password in a secure password manager and review your account security settings to keep your account protected in the future. And that's it. You now know how to reset your Element Messenger password and regain secure access to your Matrix account. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.